hands down, this is one of my best purchases ever. Welcome back, my dearest fashion lovers. Today I'm beyond excited to share with you my latest purchase, the Celine Belt Bag in size Pico in this stunning burgundy color. But without further ado, let's jump straight into the video and I will share with you all the teeny tiny details about the bag. Now, first things first, let's talk about the design of the bag. This bag exudes sophistication from literally every angle. This rich burgundy color will elevate every single outfit and add a touch of elegance to your ensemble, and the smooth leather is impeccably crafted, showcasing Celine's commitment to quality and style. And to be honest with you guys, this was one of my best purchases so far. Now let's talk about the functionality of this bag. Despite being relatively small in size, this Celine Belt Bag has a lot to offer. Although it has just one big compartment, as you can see, without any pockets at all, it comfortably fits all my essentials: wallet, my phone, my car keys, a couple of makeup items, and it will also fit a little water bottle if you need so. Plus, the adjustable strap allows for versatile styling options. You can wear this bag as a crossbody bag or as a top handle, which is my favorite way of carrying this bag around, as I find this particular size incredibly comfortable and just enough. Whether paired with casual denim or a sleek evening dress, this Celine Belt Bag effortlessly elevates any ensemble. You need to understand that it's quite a statement piece that commands attention wherever you go. And that is exactly what I was looking for when choosing this particular bag. Now let's not forget about the interior of the bag. The suede lining adds a luxurious touch, while well organized and relatively roomy compartment helps keep everything in place. It's the perfect balance between fashion and functionality, and to be honest with you guys, this Celine Belt Bag is probably the best investment piece for any fashion lovers watching this video. Its impeccable design, functionality and versatility make it a must-have addition to any wardrobe. Plus, it has almost no logos at all, which makes it a perfect quiet luxury piece, which it is in fact. And trust me, you won't regret adding this beauty to your collection. Plus, taking into consideration this rich dark burgundy color and sturdy and durable leather, it won't create any troubles along the way, as you don't need to baby this bag. I absolutely understand that not everyone can afford a luxury bag, so I linked some inexpensive alternatives in the description box down below that look pretty much the same and have the same functionality. Definitely go and check it out. Thank you once again for watching this video, and until next time.